For the purpose of this video, I will be updating you with the most recent UK visa and immigration updates you need to know about. If you've been following the recent news, you find out that the UK government have been planning to call that net migration, and they proposed a 5-point plan to do that. Recently, they've announced the dates to that this plan recommends. These are key dates you need to know about, so I'm going to be sharing them all with you in this video. I really recommend you watch this video so you can know about this. Also, within the course of this video, I'll be sharing different options you can explore if you are looking forward to migrating to the UK, or you are already in the UK and you're thinking of getting visa sponsorship to remain in the UK. I'm going to be talking about different options you can explore. Grab your notebook and pen and let's get started. Welcome again to my channel. My name is Victory Nkuka. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, I share content relating to migrating to the UK, how you could get visa sponsorship job to help you settle in the UK. I also share about immigration updates, helpful update that can help you and every other one you know to relocate to your choice country, scholarship that can help you study abroad with ease to ease the financial burden that students tend to face. If these are content that interests you and you would love to know much about, smash the subscribe button and you're welcome to this family. A million thanks to all my returning subscribers. You all are amazing. Thank you for always returning back to watch this video. Thank you for sharing to those that it's been of help to. For me, it's a privilege to do what I do, and thank you so much for your support and your encouragement. Before we dive further in this video, I would love you to like this video, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do, and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified each time I upload any video. Sharing briefly about the 5-point plan. The first one is that the social care workers will not be able to bring their dependent, that's the husband, wife, spouse, or children, to the UK from spring 2024. But now they fix a specific date for that, saying it's going to be on the 11th of March 2024. However, this does not affect all set of carers. If you are interested in knowing the carers are exempt from this, I will leave the link to the video I've made detailedly to explain this in the description box. Make sure you watch that video so you can know the carers that this does not affect at all, and as well as the skilled workers it doesn't affect. To end all your questions of asking, does it affect doctors, does it affect those, just watch that video. It has everything you need to know about that. The second change was about the salary threshold to get sponsored for a skilled worker visa, and with that they actually plan to review the immigration sorted occupation list so it can reflect the recent salary threshold. They also plan to review the graduate route and as well as the minimum income required for family visas. Now, these are the key dates that has been attached to all of these. So the first one you can see from the screen, banning new arriving carers from bringing immediate family will happen on the 11th of March 2024. Like I said in that video, I've explained the carers that this does not affect even after 11th of March. You can do well to watch that video. Also, the minimum increase for skilled worker salary will happen on the 4th of April. So from the 4th of April to come on a skilled worker visa, if you're not in the health and care visa, because these are a category that is exempt from this, so you will need to be earning up to the minimum salary threshold before you can get a job to work in the UK. But if you are into tech, you are into IT, this does not affect us. Your average salary per annum is above that. The third thing that was said is about the family visa. So the first increment will be £29,000, and this will take place from 11th of April. Then around sometime in 2024, they are not specific yet. You need to subscribe to this channel because when they get specific with the date, I will still let you know. But sometime in 2024, it's going to be increased to 34,500. Then later on, it's going to be brought to 38,700 by early 2025. Then the last of the 5-point plan is talking about the one affecting the graduate routes. Nothing specific has been said regarding this, but when they bring up the update, I really hope it's positive. But I will let you know definitely what the update is. Most persons are saying that these changes are political, so maybe after the elections it can reverse, because the British persons, some of them have been complaining that immigrants are taking their job, they are doing that, so they are trying to do all these rules to see how it will favor them. But I don't really comprehend, because the one affecting the family visa affects them too. So that we are hopeful that some of these rules can will be reviewed, perhaps maybe after the election coming up soon. I just needed you to take note of this key date. So if, for instance, if you are a care worker, you want to come on this visa, if you can get your sponsorship before 11th, you are covered. With reference to these new changes that have been put in place, the Home Secretary James Cleverly also mentioned that these changes were put in place in order to ensure that immigrants and workers coming over to the UK can sponsor the family they bring with them. He actually said it's a firm approach, but a fair one, and it gives those affected time to prepare while ensuring that migration comes down. Another thing that has been highlighted is that the IHS fee has been increased by 66% from the 6th of February. So those that previously paid £624 per annum, you're going to be paying £1,035 per annum. The Minister for Legal Migration and Border is Tom Ponsglove also said that the comprehensive plan is to tackle net migration, and this will not only bring numbers down substantially, but it will also tackle the inherent unfairness of a system, which, if left untouched, will reward employers seeking to recruit cheap labor from overseas at the expense of the British worker. So this makes me really support the opinions that has been coming that all these laws are quite political. Hopefully, after the election, some of these laws may be reviewed. Generally, they also are planning to enhance the security on the borders so that to avoid illegal migration. Now, let's talk about the options you can explore with this new law. One of the options you can explore if you're already in the UK is if you seek visa sponsorship, I will recommend you focus more on jobs that are not within the care worker visa. Most especially if you are here with your family. Let's say, for instance, you came on a student visa and you are here with your family. You wish to get a sponsorship because you love to remain in the UK. Please, if you're able to switch before 11th of March, fine. But if you're unable and you already know you won't be able to meet up with that, please focus on other jobs. While schooling, you can decide to upskill into data analysis, into the different aspects of tech, because with that, you will be able to meet the minimum salary threshold and you won't be restrained from leaving your dependents in UK, or if you plan to bring your family over, you won't have any restraint at all. So that's one of the options you should explore. And if perhaps you are in your home country, you're thinking of coming over to the UK at this time, now the question is, I think you should actually sit down and make careful plans. Outside the UK, there are other countries where you can relocate to. So I made a video sometime last month about scholarship you can get to study in Hungary. And Hungary is family friendly. You can move with your family with scholarship, studying, fully funded scholarship studying there. If you've not seen the video, I'll leave the link of that video in the description. Make sure you see the video and apply using the links and apply for those scholarship. But if you really love the UK or there's something you are particular about the UK, please, instead of looking for much more of the care, if you really love the UK and perhaps you are single, there's no need to really bother yourself. All you need to do is to apply to CQC regulated care companies, because they are the only ones that can sponsor you. However, not all CQC regulated companies are licensed to sponsor from overseas. Okay, so if you want me to make a video about the CQC regulated company that are licensed to sponsor and how you can get access to them, do let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to do that for you. But so back to what I was saying, if you are willing to come to the UK on a care worker visa and you are single, please apply to these persons. But if you already have a family, I don't think many persons will want to just leave their family behind to come and work 5 years in the UK without your family. That's a long time to get separated from family. You can consider other countries that are recruiting right now. Another option you can explore is, for instance, you can decide to take up courses and certifications that can help you upskill into data analysis and tech. The reason why I'm actually emphasizing on this tool is because their salary cap that they pay the workers per annum is within this new salary threshold. So you will be in no way restricted with this new law if you find yourself in this occupation. Let's say you are doing cybersecurity or DevOps engineering, you will never be limited with this new rule. So that's the reason why I'm actually emphasizing on this. So if you can upskill, for those in UK, you can use the skill bootcamp. You can apply for it. It's free for you already in the UK. It's their way of trying to make the workforce in UK robust so that they won't depend so much on immigrants. So you can utilize this means to upskill, even though it's digital marketing. If you have a very good offer, it's gonna pay you very well. Okay, so and you'll be able to remain in the UK. And but if you are outside the UK, you can still do these things and apply for jobs. You can search for some of these jobs on LinkedIn with your profile and the certifications. Many of these recruiters may reach out to you, and you may be fortunate to even come on a global talent visa. With that visa, you don't even need IELTS, and you are not restricted. You can come with your family at any time. So these are some of the options you can explore. If you've gotten value from this video, don't forget to like this video, share this video with as many that you think is going to be of help to. There's no better time for you to join this family. Subscribe to join this family. I also recommend you check the description for the link of the video I made on the list of carers and workers that this affect, because it's not all carers that are affected by this new rule of you can't bring your family. Even March 2024, some set of carers and skilled workers can still bring their family to the UK. If you want to know who they are, you can watch that video. It's all explained there, and with all the information from the legal website you can find, it's in that video. Thank you again, my loving viewers. If you actually watched to this part of this video, you are a star. Thank you for your support. Your support actually encourages me to do more videos, channels to meet your needs. Stay blessed for now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.